First of all, I wanna say thank you to all of you guys who are joining the Velvet in Color family by buying one of our presets from the Etsy web store. And yeah, I'm Kilian from Velvet in Color. Let's dive right into this. I wanna give you a brief introduction on how to use the DNG file presets within your Lightroom CC app on your mobile device. So the first question is how to get the presets to your cell phone, and my recommendation for this is to send them via email to yourself to then download the presets. That's what we're gonna do right now. So here is my email containing all the presets. I just download the files to my cell phone like this. Once the downloads are finished, we head over to Lightroom. And then we're going to create a new album, and we're going to name the album Presets. Now we're going to add your presets to this album by clicking Add Photos from Device. Then you are going to select all your presets you want to add in this step. Click Add. Just wait a couple seconds to get them loaded. Now we're going to copy our preset data. We're going to do this by selecting the preset we want to apply to our photo. Let's go for this one. You are going to click on the 3 points in the right upper corner. Then click on Copy Settings, leave everything as it is and press OK to continue. Now we have copied all the data. We head over to All Photos, select the photo you want to edit, then press again the 3 dots and paste your settings. And it's as simple as that. You just applied your preset to your photo and you can do further edits. I would recommend you to check the Light tab. The first slider will adjust your exposure, which is very important, especially for these presets. The second most important value to adjust would be the color temperature. You can find this under the Color tab, and it is the first slider, the temperature slider. If you move it to the left, you will get a cooler white balance. If you move it to the right, you will get a warmer white balance. And once in a while you can compare your image to the original one by pressing and holding to see the before and after edit. That's basically the whole story. Of course, you could grab another preset, press the 3 dots again, copy your settings, press OK to continue, head back to your photos, go to your photo, press the 3 dots again, paste your settings, and voila, you have another preset applied. What you have to consider in this moment is you will reset your older edit. So if you want to make a new one, you have to duplicate your photograph. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As you have seen, it is very easy to use these presets. Just send DNGs via email to your mobile device, store them within your presets folder and use them in Lightroom CC. I hope I've helped you out with this one. Thank you for joining, and yeah, thank you for being part of Velvet in Color.